Hi teacher and classmate. My name is Solange Calderon. I course English A2. That's for speaking production. One activity description type of state 3. Video answering the following question. Where are you going to travel? Coming in April of this year. What city, place are you going to visit? I'm going to travel to San Andres Island in Colombia. Where are you going to stay? I'm going to stay with my family and a hotel near the beach with an ocean view. What are you going to wear? I will bring clothes for a hot weather place and money to boot. Who are you going to invite to that travels? The guests of the trip will be my daughter and husband. What activities will you do in that place? The activity to be carried out during the trip will be swimming, sunbathing, eating, having fun, and walking on the beach. How much money will you spend there? The money I will spend will be approximately 4 million pesos. Will you bring any souvenirs from your vacation? I will take as a memory my travel experience and switch to give a gift. Thank you. Your attention.